Before normal door opening, check that the arming lever is in the disarmed position. Check that the cabin pressure indicator is not flashing. Hold the assist handle on the door frame. Lift the door control handle fully up. Push the door outward. Move the door forward by using the door assist handle. The door locks when it is in fully open position. For closing, push the gust lock and move the door rearward towards the frame. With the help of the door assist handle, pull the door in. Lower the control handle. The locking indicator turns from red to green, which indicates correct locking. Labels next to the exterior handle indicate how to open the door from the outside. Check through the observation window that the cabin pressure indicator does not flash. Push the flap in and grasp the handle. Lift it fully up to the horizontal green line. Pull the door outwards and push forward until it locks in the fully open position. For safety reasons, lower the handle into its recess. Prior to closing, push the gust lock to unlock the door. Lift the control handle and move the door towards the frame. Push the door in and lower the control handle. The door is locked when the handle is flush with the fuselage.